We are so impatient. हमें सब कुछ instant चाहिए. Instant tea, instant food, यहाँ तक कि instant face glow भी. But you know, इन instant चीजों के after effects कितने खराब हो सकते हैं, such as early signs of aging, hyperpigmentation, and कुछ chemicals तो heart, liver और lungs को भी affect करते हैं. That's why I use an ancient beauty secret. Multani Mitti powder by Nature Sure. Nature Sure Multani Mitti powder is 100% pure and chemical free. This certificate is proof. You also get 50 ml rose water free. Just take 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti powder, add some rose water, mix it well and apply it on your face. Leave it till it dries, then wash your face off. Revealing hydrated, glowing skin. Even out skin tone, fight dark circles and also prevent pimples. Removes excess oil, dirt, sweat and impurities from your skin. It's time for you to take the first step of chemical-free living with this product. Make it a part of your skincare routine and nourish your skin naturally with Nature Sure Multani Mitti powder.